Hey everybody, it's Erin from Erin Remakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute popsicle and felt back to school apple core crafts that your kids or adults can make. As always, applying links are down in the information section. Let's jump in. I'm going to show you how to make them. So the first thing I'm going to start doing to make our cutie apples is I am going to cut out the green, the red, and the yellow with two different shape die cuts. So I'm just going to be placing them on here, die cutting them out, and then I'm going to make leaves out of the dark green and the light green, and then I have one more little cutie die, and that is to make the seeds, which is out of our black felt. These are all Kunin felts, and I'm going to be placing them in here to help keep them organized. All right, time to die cut. All right, this is so easy to die cut, and any of your dies will work. This is my crossover 2 machine, and I can do 2 layers deep of the felt, including the black felt. So I'm going to place this little guy right on the edge, place my cover on, and I can cut out a heck of a lot more, which you could cut these with scissors. This just makes life so much faster and easier. So I cut out a big circle and a little circle so we can make 2 different size apples, and for every apple I'm gonna need 3 seeds, so I've got a lot of black ones left to cut out, plus I still have the yellow. So a lot more cutting to do, but now you can at least see how amazing and how fast that is. All right, time to cut some more. All right, so I got all my circles cut, so I'm gonna place all my fun circles on the one end of the Deflecto storage container, just making it easy for the kids. Forgot to mention, I also pulled out some really pretty brown felt, so that's gonna go in here. So just cut those little strips. All of the seeds are also going to go in here, so this makes it really easy for the kids to grab as they're creating, and then all the leaves. And I cut the leaves out of the same green and also the lighter green, so the kids have a choice of green color. So now everything fits in the little Deflecto caddy. Now it's time to build them. So to start off, you need to have, we're going to build a small one, so you need 4 little popsicle sticks. We need some glue. We're gonna use kids glue. We're gonna use 3 seeds, 1 stem. We're gonna do a leaf, and we're gonna make a big one. So we're gonna need, and we're gonna make it red. Now you can choose to either do 4 sticks, 3 sticks, or 5 sticks. Start off, fold your circle in half. And again, if you wanna cut these circles by hand, you're more than welcome to, super simple. Cut this straight in half. So easy, look at that. And then just come in and you're gonna cut little bitty loops. It looks like they've been cut. You could also leave it flat. You could do it both ways. So all I did is I cut out little loops on this. Super simple. Same thing on this one. Just cut out little tiny loops. It's like little bite marks. And the leaves are so simple to make. All you basically do is you take your felt, you just take the felt and you go cut, cut, and you're done. So simple. So I'm gonna pop this one back in here. This makes storage and easy cleanup. So now it's time to build our apple. So we're gonna take a little bit of glue. This is just kids glue. Super simple. This is a great craft for kids. Comes straight across just like that. They just made a line, and the holding factor is your felt. The felt is what's gonna hold this together. Boom, just like that. See how simple? And then we're gonna put a little bit of glue on our 3 seeds, and then a little bit of glue on the top side of this, and we're just going to tuck this underneath. Just going to fit right there. That's our stem. You have your stem right in the middle if you want to, wherever you want to place your stem, and then a little bit of glue on our leaf. See how fast and easy that is? These are so adorable. You could even go in and you could add somebody's name on there. You could add a tassel to this to become something they can hang, but it's such a fast and easy craft for the kids to make. And it makes it even easier when you have all of your storage units and everything is organized for the kids to grab exactly what they need. They can put things back when they're done with it. And the best thing is as you create new crafts, you can change out the elements inside here, so that way the kids always have new fun things to work with. So here they are, so super cute. We have a yellow, we have a green, and we have a red apple. And then I changed up how many of the popsicle sticks. We had 3, 4, 5, really, it doesn't really matter. It's all good. We use small circles, we use the big circles, and you can change out the color of the leaves. You really get to have a ton of fun, and there's still a ton left, and it's all organized for the kids to come in and grab their supplies. All the little pieces are set and organized. They can sit down and they can make a back to school craft whenever they are ready. Everything is laid out for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Supply links are down in the information section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, and I'll see you guys again soon. Thumbs up would be awesome as well. Bye everybody.